A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to the English class. Children, in the last class we have discussed about nouns and its types. Yes? So there are totally 5 types of noun. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Yes children, we have discussed this in the last class. So children, in this class we are going to discuss about pronouns. Okay? In this class we are going to discuss about pronouns. Okay children, now let's see what is meant by pronoun. So children, see here. Pronoun, a word that is used instead of a noun, is called a pronoun. So children, tell me what is meant by noun. Noun means nothing but a name of a person, place, thing and animal. We already know that. Yes, noun means nothing but a name of a person, place, thing and animal. So here pronoun means what children? Pronoun means nothing but a word that is used instead of a noun is called pronoun. For example, I, me, you, he, she, it, they, etc. Okay? Okay children, look at this picture. Pronouns are words that replaces nouns. To avoid the repetition of nouns, we use pronoun. Okay? To avoid repetition of nouns, we use pronouns. Okay? So see, I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, etc. Yes? For girl, we use she or her. For boy, we use he or his. Yes? So, when we use them or they, then they or them. See this picture children. They and them are always used in place of plural nouns or noun groups in the third person. Okay children, I hope you getting my point. Them or they always used in places of plural forms. Okay, plural nouns or noun group in the third person. Okay. So when we use it, it is used for animal or thing. Is that clear? For girl we use she or her. For boy we use he or his. And them or they always used in plural nouns. And it is used for thing and animal. Okay, I hope is that clear. So now see here. So pronoun is a word used instead of noun. For example, Hari is absent because Hari is ill. So children, to avoid repetitions of noun, we use pronoun. Okay. For example, see here, Hari is absent because Hari is still. Is it look good? No. Yes. So to avoid, it's better to avoid repetition of Hari. We used here pronoun. Example, see here. Hari is absent because he is ill. Hari is a boy. Yes, for a boy we used he. For a girl we used she. For a boy we use he. For girl we use she. Okay children. So Hari is a boy. So Hari is absent because he is ill. So now here he is pronoun here. Okay. Okay, I hope you understood this. See here, Hari is absent because Hari is ill. It's better to avoid repetition of Hari. We use pronoun. Hari is absent because he is ill. Yes. If we use here, he is absent because he is ill. Here he also pronoun here. Okay. If we use he. But here Hari is absent because he is ill. Here Hari is a noun. If we use he, then it is pronoun. Okay, I hope you getting my point. Okay, children, see here some more examples of pronoun. Okay, add a correct pronoun to each of the following sentence. So, see here, he saw a blue whale. So, tell me what is pronoun here? Yes, he is a, here he is, here he is pronoun. Yes, he saw a blue whale. See, if we use Ram saw blue whale, means Ram is a noun. But instead of Ram, we used here he. So, children, here he is a pronoun. I hope you understood this. Yes, they were playing football. They is a pronoun. She likes to dance. Yes, like Samiksha likes to dance. Means Samiksha is a noun, but we did not use the word Samiksha. We used, instead of that word, we used she here. Yes, instead of noun, we used a word which is called pronoun. Simple. Okay, I hope you understood. I hope you understood that. Okay. So now see, I like to read about dinosaur. I like to read about dinosaur. I is also pronoun here. We went to visit our grandparents. We. He gave me an orange. He gave me an orange. Yes. Tell them to work hard. It is a nice painting. My uncle is coming to visit us. So these all words are pronoun. Are you all right? Are you all right? You. Here you is also a pronoun. I will play with her. I will play with Rani. Rani is a noun, but instead of Rani we used a word her. So here her is a pronoun. I will play with her. Yes. So what is meant by pronoun, children? Pronoun means nothing but a word which is used instead of noun. Okay. So see here. Okay, children. Now underline the pronouns in these sentences. Okay. So see the first one. They were using crayons. They were using crayons. Here, tell me what is pronoun here. Yes, you are right. They. She likes to dance. She likes to dance. So now children, tell me and underline the pronoun. Okay. Yes, you are right. She is pronoun. I like to learn about universe. Now tell me which is pronoun here. Which word is pronoun here? Yes, I. He is a doctor. Ramesh is a doctor. If we use Ramesh, then it became noun. But we use instead of Ramesh, he. Then it is pronoun. Very simple. Yes. Her dress is beautiful. Yes. If we say Rani's dress is beautiful. Rani is the name of a girl, but we use here her. So her dress is beautiful. Yes. They are jumping. We are student. His name is Ayush. She likes her dress. Yes, these all words like they, she, I, he, her, they, we, his, she, it is all pronoun. She goes to school every day. Yes, she goes to school every day. Like Zoya goes to school every day. Means Zoya is the name of a girl, but we use just she. That means it is pronoun because the pronoun is a word which use instead of noun. So it is pronoun. She goes to school every day. It is beautiful. They are dangerous. So children, they, she, I, he, her, they, we, his, she, it, she, they. These all words are pronoun. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, so children, see here there are so many types of pronoun here. Okay, see the types of pronoun: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, distributive pronoun, and possessive pronoun. So these all are the types of pronoun. Okay, so children, okay children, so these are the types of pronouns or kinds of pronouns. So we will discuss in next class. Okay, I hope you understood this. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Okay, thank you.